When it comes to the finance transformation journey or the delivery of finance capability, there are a myriad of challenges that finance teams face. First of which is the limitation of skills and capacity. Secondly, this is as a result of historic limited investment or capital, firstly in technology and secondly in people. The reason for that is because of historic competition or prioritization of other areas that businesses need to actually focus on, also accompanied by weak business cases that really don't look at tangible return on investment. And what this actually results in, again, is outdated IT operations, which make it very hard for delivery of business outcomes. And then lastly, the challenge is now manual operations, where people ultimately elbow grease their way to a business outcome, which makes it very hard to focus resources on delivering business value, and secondly, makes it hard on them to continuously transform their finance operations.
Deloitte provides an infusion of skilled talent to execute, optimize, and enhance your operations, ensuring organizations have the expertise needed for effective transformation. Our extensive range of pricing solutions, such as bundled pricing and operate to transform deal constructs, unlock upfront savings to initiate transformation initiatives with financial efficiency. By employing agile and lean methods, we accelerate value delivery and return on investment. Our business-focused operational approach delivers holistic outcomes aligned with strategic goals. We offer comprehensive process automation and optimization to free up resources and reduce costs, enabling organizations to focus on their core objectives.